Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a smartphone that hasn't even officially hit the shelves yet, but it's already hijacking every single headline in the tech world. But before we dive into the future, we have to take a quick trip back to where it all began. Do you remember the early 2000s? Back then, the coolest person in the room was the one with a Nokia 6600 in their pocket. We used to swap batteries with our friends just to keep playing Snake for one more hour. And those legendary memes about Nokia phones breaking the concrete floor, that wasn't just a joke, it was a brand built on pure, unbreakable trust. That was the era of Nokia's global reign. And now, Nokia is officially ready to make a comeback. But this time, they aren't coming alone, they're bringing a royal powerhouse. We are talking about the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. If you're the type of person who thinks a budget-friendly price means a cheap phone, or if you've been dreaming of a flagship but those $1,500 price tags make you break into a cold sweat, then this video is for you. Today, we are performing a complete autopsy on the latest leaks. We're talking claims of a 15-minute full charge, and a massive 200-megapixel camera. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, let's separate the hype from the reality. If you want to get a closer look at this new age Nokia King, smash that like button and hit subscribe right now. Let's jump into Nokia's incredible journey back to the top. Features of the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. Design and display. First, let's talk about the very first thing you'll notice, the design. If these leaks are accurate, Nokia has pulled out all the stops. This isn't just a phone, it's a lifestyle statement. Imagine a device that feels in your hand like a piece of fine jewelry. We aren't talking about plastic here. Rumors suggest a titanium frame, the same high-grade material used in the most expensive premium phones on the market. This keeps the phone incredibly light while making it virtually indestructible. On the back, we expect a premium vegan leather finish. This means it won't slide out of your hand when they're wet, it doesn't attract fingerprints, and it looks absolutely royal. Now, let's talk about that screen. We are looking at a massive 6.9-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display. For those who don't know, LTPO technology allows the screen to automatically adjust its refresh rate, from a battery-saving 1 Hz all the way up to a lightning-fast 144 Hz. Whether you're reading a digital book or playing Call of Duty or Genshin Impact, the experience will be buttery smooth. This is a gamer's dream. And the quality, QHD plus resolution. It's so sharp that your eyes won't be able to see individual pixels. Whether it's Netflix or Prime Video, every scene will look like you're sitting in a premium theater. But with a display this gorgeous, you need protection, right? Nokia has reportedly wrapped this beast in Corning Gorilla Glass armor too. Whether it slips out of your pocket or gets tossed into a bag full of keys, you can stay stress-free. Plus, the phone is rumored to carry an IP69 rating. That's even better than most flagships. It means it's not just water-resistant, it can survive high-pressure water jets and extreme dust. This is the tank Nokia we've all been waiting for. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the weapon that makes this phone truly ultra, the camera. These days, 50-megapixel and 108-megapixel cameras are standard. Nokia is going way beyond that. According to the leaks, this phone features a penta-camera setup on the back. The main sensor is a world-class 200-megapixel camera with a 1-inch sensor size. What does 200 megapixels actually mean? It means you can zoom into a photo so far that you can see the eye of a bird standing a block away. Having a 1-inch sensor is a game changer. It captures so much light that your night photos will look like they were taken in broad daylight with zero noise. But the story doesn't end there. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for those epic landscape shots. A 32-megapixel telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom, and up to 100x digital zoom. A 16-megapixel portrait sensor that blurs the background so beautifully you'll swear it's a DSLR. And an 8-megapixel macro sensor for those extreme close-ups. And for the selfie lovers, you get a 64-megapixel autofocus front camera. Your TikToks and Instagram stories are going to look professional grade. It might even include a dual LED flash on the front so your late-night selfies aren't grainy. Performance. So, what's powering this beast? The heart of the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G is the world's most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This is Qualcomm's latest 3nm powerhouse. It's faster, more efficient, and generates less heat. Combine that with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 5.0 storage, and you have a phone that can edit 4K video, run 50 apps in the background, and play high-end games at max settings without even breaking a sweat. For gaming enthusiasts, it may also feature a dedicated gaming chip, which will enhance graphics and prevent the phone from overheating. Battery. Now for the mic drop feature, the battery. Most modern phones struggle to get through a full day. Nokia is solving that with a massive 9000 mAh battery. This thing could potentially last 2 or even 3 days on a single charge. And the charging speed, it supports 90-watt ultra-fast charging. The claim is that it can go from 0 to 100% in just 15 to 20 minutes. Plus, you get 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for your earbuds. Software. On the software side, Nokia is sticking to its roots, stock Android 16. That means a pure, clean experience with zero bloatware and no annoying pre-installed apps you can't delete. Nokia is also promising 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, keeping your phone fast and secure for a long time. Connectivity and the future of 5G. We call it the Royal Ultra 5G, but the 5G part is actually an understatement. Rumor has it this phone features the Snapdragon X90 modem RF system. We are talking about 5G advanced or 5.5G readiness. This means lower latency for cloud gaming, and download speeds that could theoretically hit 10 gigabits per second. Even if your local tower isn't that fast yet, this is called future-proofing. You buy this phone in 2026, and it's still going to feel like a flagship in 2030. Nokia is also rumored to be including satellite SOS connectivity, a feature we've seen in other top-tier phones, ensuring that even if you're hiking in the middle of the Grand Canyon with 0 bars, you're never truly off the grid. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question: what will it cost? Nokia has been successful with budget phones recently, but they want to dominate the flagship market. Insider reports suggest Nokia is going for a disruptor price. We are looking at an estimated price in the USA of roughly $900 to $950. If this phone launches at that price with these specs, it won't just compete with the market, it will reset it. As for the launch date, nothing is official yet, but tech experts are predicting a release around December 2026. Think of it as a massive holiday gift or a New Year's surprise. But remember, these are still based on leaks and rumors, so we'll have to wait for the official word from Nokia. So, is the king truly back? If these specs are real, the competition better watch out. What do you think? Would you ditch your current phone for a 200-megapixel Nokia with a 9000 mAh battery? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and I'll see you in the next one.